Understanding melee combat is one of the more difficult things in Ancient Battles Deluxe that I had a hard time understanding. All the facing and all the zones of controls and stuff, no problem, but for some reason the way the combat system is worded, it just really threw me for a loop. So let's go over a basic attack here. If we have a 4 unit attacking a 4 strength unit, we designate the attacking unit, which is the HI, at 4. Select the defending unit. Ignore the retreat before combat for now. Calculate the base strength. So we roll a die, and the red player rolled a 4, and the blue player rolled a 6. The ratio advantage is 1 for the unit itself. So a unit by itself has an advantage of 1. If it has a leader in there, it's 2. If it has a 2x leader in there, it's 3. So we multiply the 4 times the 3 for this leader, 4 times 2 for this leader, and 4 times 1 if this unit is by itself. So our base attack, just calculating the ratio advantage, the strength times the multiplier, for this unit is 4, for this unit is 8, for this unit is 12, if they're together. We add in a terrain, which is not applicable in this situation, and then we add the attack factor. So the attack factor is the direction that you attack from. In this situation, he would be at a 0 attack factor. From here, he would be a +2, and from there, he would be a +4. So in this example, if the red player rolled a 4, it would be 4 times 1 is 4, plus his die roll, which is 4, a total of 8. For the blue player, he rolled a 6, it's 4 times 1 equals 4, plus 6 is 10. So in this situation, since the attack was less than the defender value, was greater than the attacker value, but not twice the strength, he's flipped. Now let's look at another example. Now we put a +1 leader with it. So we designate the attacking unit, which has a strength of 4. We calculate the base values again, using the same die rolls, 4 and 6. Now the attack modifier here is 1 for the base unit itself, plus 1 for the leader, which is 2. And 2 times 4 is a base of 8. So for the red player, a 4 times 2, which is the modifier, equals 8, plus 4 the combat strength equals 12. And for the blue player, a 4 plus 6 is die roll equals 10. The attack is greater, but not greater than twice. So it's both units flip. Okay, now let's look at the situation if we have a 2x leader there. So we're going to use the same die rolls of 4 and 6. So the base attack is 4 and 6. Plus the ratio advantage, which in this situation is 1 for the unit itself, plus 2 for the 2x leader, which is 3. So 4 times 3 is 12. And 12 plus 4 is 16. And the other unit will be 10 still. And that's still not twice. So again, that would be an exchange. So let's say the unit attacks from this direction. And then instead of a 16, we're adding 4 for attacking from the Spectre, which is 20. 20 to 10 is twice. Attack value is greater than the defensive value. Defender, disrupted. And that's how the melee works. So again, the thing that really threw me was the melee modifier. And the melee modifier is 1 for the unit itself, and then plus 1 for each number on the leader. So it's plus 1 for this one, making the melee modifier 2. So you multiply that combat strength times 2. I know it sounds quite simple when you say it out loud, but when you're reading the rules, it threw me for the longest time. So I just wanted to share that with you, and hope you enjoy.